The elevator and alarm geek wanted me to make a fire alarm video. His name is also ScMikePapa, so I'm going to make a fire alarm video. RSGT bar. I don't know what exit sign that is. Spectral alert fire alarm. Horn strobe. I don't know what lights those are, but I don't know. Spectral alert remote strobe. Another spectral alert strobe. Another RSGT bar and another exit sign / lamp. There's exit signs on the door. Fire alarm tour of my school. We have a spectral alert remote strobe. It's the older model because it's got the little hole in the top of it. It's got another exit sign in it. Motion sensor, exit sign, another spectral alert horn strobe. No, remote strobe. Don't listen to that little kid, he's like a little baby. Exit sign / emergency lamps. Another RSGT bar and a spectral alert remote strobe. Remote strobes are all over the place. Dryer works. Spectral alert remote strobe.
Door's open.
RSGT bar. And a spectral alert horn strobe. We got another spectral alert right there. And there's pretty much spectral alerts all around the school. So, ScMikePapa, aka Elevator and Alarm Geek, I hope you enjoyed this video of a fire alarm tour of my school.